Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Tanya.
And I'm Danielle. Please subscribe to our channel. If you didn't know, now you know. So as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a day in my life vlog. So stay tuned. So right now we're heading to the mall. We're going to get a couple of things. So you'll see all of that taking place. So stay tuned. So this is our outfit, guys. Yeah, cute dress that I got from Garage. This is also an outfit from Garage. So this is how it looks. I will pair with some sneakers. Oh yeah. So we're gonna go shopping right now. So stay tuned. Keep on watching. So we're in Walmart now. We're gonna get some appliances. Some kitchenware and stuff. So tune in for that as well. So I'm gonna show you around and everything. So okay, we got a few stuff already. We forgot we were supposed to be filming. Yeah, so right now we're just getting some stuff. We're mostly going for earthly tones. So we're gonna pick up beige plates. Yeah, and we already got a microwave, pillows, cups, forks, pots, and yeah, I think that's it we have so far. Yeah. So right now we're gonna get some hand soaps. I'll show you some of the ones that we're gonna take up. Go inside, so see you inside, guys. So this is how they set it up for social distancing. So we had to walk all the way around. I didn't see the point of all of that, but yeah. In buying this, these are the different prices for the different sizes. So that's it right there. And I think it also comes in different colors. So yeah. What is this? Yeah. So for bed, isn't it big, guys? It's like a queen size bed. It's so nice. It's $1,300. It's really comfortable. Love the material and the color. Look at this nice setup for a bedroom. I think I'm gonna do my bedroom like this because this is super cozy and I can get a little TV on the wall and whatever. So yeah. this goes on the same divider. Look at that. Look at this tub I could just take a bath in here. Love this setup. So right now we're just still looking at couches. Let me just show you what they look like. So this is living room storage. Oh yeah, we need shelves. And different shelves, different design stuff. Yes guys, it's a stove, a portable stove. You can bring it anywhere. Isn't this fancy for people living in a studio apartment or a bachelor or something? Well, it's the same thing. But yeah, you can bring it anywhere you want to go. I love it. Super fancy and super affordable. This is the lighting department. Put your light on. Oh wow, that's so cute. Now we are in the rug section. Oh shit, let's go. So crazy guys, this table is $10. $10. That's crazy. You can't beat this price. $10. So come get your IKEA stuff. $10. Really cute pots and everything. Love the setup. Oh, I got a blender today guys, so when we move in we'll show you guys everything that we bought. Cool dining table, table for 6, probably 8. Put the extra chairs at the side, the ends. I mean, love the cupboard. Really cute. Love the sink. So actually the store is closed right now, so we're just gonna cash out. Unfortunately what we wanted they didn't have, so we have to order it online. So we're gonna do that. It's 9 o'clock. So yeah. These are the stuff that we got. I didn't get too much. I have to order everything online. So yeah. A long day guys. We came out here when it was like 2 o'clock and now it's 9 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Till next time.